Guys, today I am making one of my personal favorite cookie recipes. It's called the Texas Sheet Cake Cookie. Put your butter in your saucepan, cocoa powder, some sugar, and let's melt that. It's gonna be really thick. It's not gonna be super liquidy. Just stir it till it's melted and then set it aside. That's what it's looking like. Cream your butter and your sugar. Add an egg and vanilla, either paste or extract. Beat that. Don't forget to scrape down the sides of your bowl so you get all of your ingredients actually incorporated. Now, if it starts to look like it's gonna split, that's okay, because as soon as you add the flour, it'll all come together. Then mix again. Just set that to the side over there. And in a mixing bowl, you're gonna put flour, salt, and baking soda. Flour, salt, and baking soda. Then just whisk to combine. Pour your dry ingredients into your butter mixture. Keep going, it's going to be dry, it's cookie dough. Once it gets about like that, let's add our chocolate mix. Mix to combine. It may be controversial, but use your hands if you want to. Divide the dough into 24 balls. Now that you've divided the dough into 24 parts, wash your hands, roll them out. So this is about 1.5 tablespoons of cookie dough per cookie. So if you have a cookie scoop like that, you probably don't want to roll them out. I could only find my 1 tablespoon, so I'm just kind of rolling them up like this. We have 2 trays of cookies going in the oven. We're gonna let them cool on the cookie sheet. Then we're gonna put on a baking rack and let them cool completely, and then we'll make the icing. I actually think we need to taste test one. It's like a brownie cookie. So you just take 1 baking sheet, leave the paper on it, and then set these to cool. Cookies are cooled. Let's make the icing. In a saucepan, melt together a 1/4 cup of butter. So add a tablespoon of milk to the butter. While that's starting to melt, add a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Just keep stirring this so that it doesn't turn into like a congealed glob. Butter is melted, heat is off. You do want to make sure the heat's off. You do not want to cook this, you only wanted to melt it. All right, you're going to start adding your powdered sugar and salt. Stir all that together. It's gonna start to look like that. You're gonna start adding a tiny bit of milk until it comes together into a drizzling or dipping consistency. I'll show you. This is where you want to add milk very slowly. So we've added an extra tablespoon. We're going to add 1/2 of a tablespoon. We're getting closer. That is what we're looking for. Then grab a cookie, dip it in the icing, just the top, pull it up, let it run off. When it's like that, just go ahead and set it right back on the baking sheet. It's time to taste test these beautiful Texas sheet cake cookies. First bite. The icing is perfect. It's got a little salty tang to it. These are the best Texas sheet cake cookies. Yum. If you want the recipe, it's in my profile. You can find it there. All right. See you guys around. I'm gonna go have some cookies.